Right. Hey guys, it's Cardo. I have another unboxing experience from CardsuppliesWarehouse.com. I bought a couple of goodies and also to restock on a couple of items that I am running low on. And I just wanted to share this unboxing experience with you guys so you can get an idea on what to expect when you buy from this website. So, let's get started. Alrighty, and here is the package. And by the way, guys, I am not sponsored by CarSuppliesWarehouse.com. I am an affiliate with them, but I purchased this with my own money. And yeah, we're going to be checking out what did I get today. So, yeah, this is pretty much the same like box style from the previous video, in case you guys want to check that out. They're traditional Chicago Auto Pros, tested, proven, and packaged in Chicago. Yeah, everything is still in its clean original design. And yes, we do have some fragile items in here. So let's check it out. Wow. Okay. Don't want to stab into the package because I don't know what's in here. I actually forgot what's in here. This has been ordered a while ago. Oh, hooray! They're finally here. Okay, so I did purchase a bunch of Rag Company wash mitts. I actually love these wash mitts. They're so soft. Actually, hold up. I'll bring it right now. Alright, so here are the ones I've been using. This is the blue and this is the green variant. I love these so much. They're so soft. I've been using them for quite a while and their fibers are still holding strong. They're still soft. They're still, They're still holding onto the dirt nicely. It rinses off easily even when I put them in the laundry. Yeah, these are really high quality Chanel wash mitts and I will be continuing to use this. So I wanted to restock on some more because I feel like, well, the life expectancy is coming to an end for these wash mitts. And I will still keep these around. I'll probably use them around, like, I don't know, maybe the wheels or the engine or very dirty areas. I'll keep these around. I'll probably mark them with a tag on, like, oh, these are meant for other more gritty surfaces. And I'll start using more newer, softer wash mitts, only because the life expectancy of these is already coming to an end. So yeah, wanted to pick up on a couple of Rag Company wash mitts. Really love this stuff. Well, in these bags right here, they come in packed in 2 packs. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 extra wash mitts. I don't know why they didn't bag this one. That's a little strange, but I guess it's fine. It doesn't. Oh, actually, now that I think about it, it doesn't feel moist. It doesn't smell weird. It doesn't smell like chemical. That's the important part. It doesn't smell like chemical. All right. So yeah, this is perfectly fine. All right, because I do have some chemicals in here, and hopefully the smell didn't get onto this wash mitt. So yeah, this is perfectly fine. And I'll be using this in my wash sessions. All right, we're gonna be. Oh yeah. So this is my first ever product from Purest. I think that's how you pronounce it, Purest or Pure EST. I got their clay bar. Hopefully the camera can zoom in properly right there. I got their medium grade clay, or medium? First stage before polishing. Well, it just says clay. Well, at the end of the day, clay is just clay, and this is a Sweden brand. So yeah, this is a very interesting clay bar, and it has a nice color. It's like a very indigo blue, like dark sky blue. I don't know. It's a very nice color. So yeah, Purest clay bar, because I am running low on some clay and I need some more to do some more decontamination. So yeah, Purest clay. Oh, and of course, I've been teasing it a lot on my Instagram. I love this stuff. It smells like death. I will have to admit that. But the reaction time for this product and how much it atomizes very well in a spray bottle, I love this iron remover so much. It is very effective. It's very cost effective too. It's very economical too, since you can get this in the gallon variants. It reacts fast. Yes, it's a bit smelly, but it does really great, even touchless washing as well. So yeah, P&S Iron Buster. I use this in conjunction with Brake Buster, so I could do the Double Buster duo comp. So yeah, Iron Buster in the gallon, because I already finished the other gallon, and I will probably have to do a product review on this because I really, really like this product right here. So yeah, Iron Buster, 1 gallon. Alright, what else do we have? We have some work. This is a gigantic, oh my goodness. Okay, so I got some Work Stuff Wash Series wheel mitt. This is a wheel mitt. This is a really large bag just for a tiny wash mitt for like the wheels. I did buy, let's see, 1, 2, 3 3 and 4 wheel wash mitts, because the one I have from Max Shine, it's already getting pretty rough, and it's not holding onto the solution as much as I like. So I wanted to give this brand a try, and I bought 4 of these because I've been hearing really great stuff about it. Actually, I'll open one right now, just to have you guys watch it on camera. So I'm gonna open this. Okay. Oh wow, that actually peeled off very nicely. And this is a Ziploc bag. Gonna take it out. There's nothing inside. And yeah, it's oh, that's nice. This has an elastic O-ring in the center. What the heck? Oh yes, this feels so much better. And it contours to your fingers too, because I obviously I can't show it to you guys right here, but I can feel two dividers right here, so I can like separate my fingers. I feel 2 dividers in there, so that way you can like contour around the edges. Man, this has a nice feel. Here, I'm gonna bring the Max Shine just for ref. All right, here's the Max Shine wheel mitt. I mean, it's pretty small. It's hard for this thing slides out so easily from your hand because there's no elastic band on the inside. Literally how you see it from here, that's all there is. It's just an empty shell in here. I mean yeah, it does do work. Well, right now it's somewhat soft because I've already degraded the crap out of this. It's okay. There's no elastic band right here, so if you get it stuck inside the jams, this will probably slide right out and it'll just get stuck on the panel. But with this one, because there's an elastic piece in here, oh my god, that feels so much better. This is not going to fall off even if you get into the tight grooves. And this one has better, what's it called? Separation for your fingers, so that way you can actually mold accordingly to specific areas of the wheels. So man, this is a lot softer and it's a lot larger too. Here's for reference. The Max Shine in the top, and this is the work stuff. And that's pretty much it. Wow, that's it. Man, this is a completely different unboxing experience from the previous one I did, where I had a bunch of chemicals. They had to bag everything so that way nothing spills. Actually, that's my question now. If they bagged the gallon, why wasn't this one bagged? I don't know. Perhaps just consistency. Oh, I'm not gonna judge because this one looks like it's taped quite well. Let me get this out of the way. This one looks like it's taped quite well. This is not going. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, that is taped on really well. No, I cannot remove this. So yeah, this is a nice tape that they use. So no need to worry if you're gonna buy gallons or any liquids from this stuff, because the tape that they use is pretty strong, and that is not going to pop off. And even if it did, there's plenty of tape, so it's sealed, and it's not gonna do. Well, hopefully, it's not gonna do any weird spills. Especially an iron remover. Mentioned the carrier delivering. That's like, God, why does this package smell? So yeah, and that's all I ordered. Some Iron Buster. So get this out of here. Got some Iron Buster work stuff wheel wash mitts. We got Purist clay, and of course we have some Rag Company regular wash mitts. I love these. Oh, they're so soft. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this. Oh, wow, surprisingly, this was a really short video. I didn't really expect it to be like this. Expect another video to come out pretty soon. I am quite busy right now because I am planning a lot of local events here to work with certain car clubs to do a wash session to show them how to detail a car. I am quite busy, but I will keep you guys posted. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so that way you guys are up to date behind the scenes with my videos, or how I'm uploading videos, or how I'm editing videos, and all that stuff. So yeah. Sorry if this is a really short video, but I wanted to, like, I don't know, put something out for you guys at least. Something at least, so you could see what I'm doing behind the scenes. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any more suggestions that you would like to see, maybe for me to check out some more products, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below, and make sure to elaborate on what you mean by that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Have a good time.